The least expensive siding option for your home that I offer is vinyl siding. It's just like anything. There's different grades, there's different levels. I have very simplistic vinyl siding. I do want to give this little caveat. I don't sell cheap junk. So like if you want a real inexpensive vinyl siding, that's not something I offer. But if you want something that you can put on your home that's going to look nice and last, I offer that. But there's from very simple to very elegant siding. So, and just to kind of explain that, the bigger the lap on vinyl siding, so like there's some siding laps that are 3 inches, there's some that are 4.5 inches, then there's some that are 5.5 and some that are 7 inches. And the wider the lap, the thicker the siding material has to be, so the more costly the siding is. And so the wider lap is what everybody is drawn to right now. It's the more modern looking of the siding, so it's the more costly. But you can get the thinner lap, which is still an excellent material and still very, problem free, etc. And it doesn't cost as much. But like when we typically go out to bid a job, we bid it for here's what the customer wants, and then, okay, that may be too much. Here's what the customer can afford or can justify. I use cars all the time as an example in this. Everybody goes out and prices a top of the line Corvette, but some of us drive, not Corvettes, Mustangs or Camaros or things like that. It's just what your budget can afford. And we can pretty much meet any part of your budget within reason.